Here we will see how to write multiple log messages through different Python modules into a single log file. So for that, how we will do it, we will create a logger object in one file and we will utilize that in multiple Python modules. So let's get started. So here we have created a logger object and we have set the label it to debug. Then we have created a file handler through which we will write the logs into shared file.log file. Here also we have set label for that as a debug. Then we have created a formatter, how the messages should appear, and then we have added that file handler to the logger object. Now we will import that into two modules. So let's say module 1 and module 2. Similar to this, we will create module 2. Here, once this function is called, it will logger.info. This will write these messages into the logger file, which is shared file.logger. This is the log file which you have created, and this will be utilized through logger object. And logger object has, as we have already added handler as file handler, so the file will created and it will be written. So when we will do module 2, it will just append those messages from module 2 there. So let's run module 2 first and let's see if the file gets created. As we can see, the file is created and mirror. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I have missed one step here. So I forgot to add file handler, formatter to file handler. So now we can see our ask, I mean our time is there, then the names, then label name and messages. So name of our logger is shared logger, then info and our message. So label name, which we gave here as error warning, like that, and at last our messages which we passed. So here messages from two are there. So that's how we can write uh, different log messages from different from multiple Python modules through in single file.